Imagine building a brand new airplane for every single flight you take, only to discard it after landing. Does that sound incredibly expensive? Well, for decades, that was precisely the reality for space launches. Every rocket, a marvel of engineering, was largely designed to be used just once, plunging into the ocean or burning up in the atmosphere after its mission. Yes, reusable rockets truly and significantly cut space launch expenses. This revolutionary approach has transformed the economics of getting objects into orbit, making space far more accessible and affordable than ever before. The core reason reusable rockets save money is straightforward. You can fly the same hardware multiple times. Traditional rockets were expendable, meaning a completely new rocket had to be manufactured for each mission. This incurred massive costs for materials, labor, and complex assembly every single time. Reusable rockets, like the Falcon 9 from SpaceX, recover their most expensive components, primarily the first stage booster, allowing them to be inspected, refurbished, and flown again. The cost of refurbishment and fuel for a second launch is dramatically less than building an entirely new booster. This shift means that satellite operators, scientific missions, and even future space tourists can benefit from lower launch prices. For example, a single Falcon 9 booster can fly dozens of times. Each additional flight spreads the initial manufacturing cost across more missions, effectively driving down the per-launch price. This economic model supports more frequent launches and allows companies to offer more competitive rates for placing payloads into Earth's orbit. This is why the term amortization is so critical here. It refers to spreading the cost of a large asset over its useful life. For reusable rockets, the asset is the rocket hardware itself, and its useful life extends across many missions. This principle, once thought impossible for the extreme conditions of spaceflight, is now a proven reality thanks to technologies like precise retropropulsive landings, where rocket engines ignite to slow and gently bring the booster back to a landing pad. This innovation minimizes damage during recovery, allowing for quicker turnaround times and further reducing costs. Ultimately, the advent of reusable rocket technology has democratized access to space. It has fostered innovation across the entire space industry, driving down the barriers to entry for new ventures and enabling a future where launching satellites, conducting research, and perhaps even traveling beyond our planet is no longer an unimaginably expensive endeavor, but a more common and economically valuable pursuit.
Join us at Space Tech Insider, where innovation meets the infinite. Discover the future today.